Some more jobs to do, but not on the big girl. Oh no, it's on Mary. That's not Mary, that's Will. So,
look what I'm Googling.
What are you Googling?
How to replace windscreen wiper motor. Windscreen wipers snap, and she doesn't start.
We don't need to know how to replace them. We are equipped with a Neil. So Mary's got some problems. A, as you'll see, the windscreen wipers.
Nothing happened.
The motor's broken arm. Also, she doesn't start. As you can hear, that click. Oh yeah, go on, give it a go.
She starts.
She also has been on charge all night, and she also is not as cold as she was yesterday. But it's not good, is it?
No. We're going to give her a new battery.
A new heart.
A new battery. £160, my God!
And she is right there. That has been in since the dawn of time, we think. So get that one out and put the new one in. Then it's time to change the motors. I'll show you where the motor's gone. So the motor's snapped right there. You can see the brake right there. So
how that's happened though.
That just happens. So basically, to change the motors in that, don't need to take these off because some have a panel that goes across there. The cowling will come off, windscreen wipers will come off. Then we can get to the motor and take the motor out. Get the earth off. Then 30mm spanner on there, and that'll come off. The apprentice is back. You've not got a 13mm spanner?
Yeah.
That's not a spanner.
What is it then? What is that? That's a spanner.
Well, that's a ratchet and that's a socket.
Yeah, but I'll get off with this, won't I?
Oh, go on, give it a go. It's a 10.
It's a 10. That one there, eh?
That one there.
Lefty loosey.
That's tightening it.
Why is it?
The other way.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to tighten stuff.
You do. That's
yeah,
you do. That's very true. That you do. Sometimes if you can't loosen it, give it a little tighten and then loosen it. Not the case in this case, but it is true sometimes. That'll do. Should lift off now. The whole thing.
Really?
Yeah, it should do.
Yeah, just like that. Look at that. I thought for some reason we'd have to take all of this off, but we haven't.
No. So we'll come this way. Oh, look at that. Some idiot's going to put them there, haven't he? Who was that?
Oh, yeah, we screwed that on.
That'll be me, that. I did them.
We got to move that.
Whoopsie.
Oh.
There we go. Gets used every day, that
Where'd
thing.
you get that from?
Emma bought me that about 2 years ago and it's been used every day in our van.
That is something I now want. Oh my God! That is a thing of absolute beauty.
It's brilliant.
Is it USB charger as well?
Yeah. Lasts forever.
Oh my God. That's
You want
so
one?
good, yeah.
Links for that are in the description down below. Also, little kettles. Go buy yourself a little kettle. 600 watts. Oh, hang on. Cables. There she goes.
Oh, you know what we need? Need a Hoover.
Right, hang on.
Oh, the Dyson Hoover, here we go.
Pardon?
Hey?
What?
I'm not the Dyson. That didn't work. Oh, that's good, isn't it? So the original battery that I had in is the battery that I think has been in the van the entire time. So now we've got a Bosch. Beautiful. Oh, fingers, shoulders, knees, a new battery. Is that the same size? I think it is, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It always looks smaller.
Yeah.
There's something there.
Yeah, it is January and it is cold. Everything looks smaller. But to be fair, even in Barbados, it still looks smaller. Go on, put it on.
Yeah. I can hear Mary now has power.
You cut yourself? Oh my God.
Oh, I have.
Oh my. Look. Call an ambulance.
Somebody send help. Send down. Hold on. Let me do a deal.
Spit on that thing.
I don't know which finger it is.
Fun story. A couple of years ago, if Will had done that, you're talking a helicopter rescue. You really are.
Now I'm on
First aid of the big kids that are being out. Now, just not bothered. Not bothered. He's been northernised. Honestly, you would think he's been murdered for his hand.
Almost lost a finger, basically. Lunch. Oh, that is brilliant. I am 100% getting one of them.
No, exactly the same.
Sounds the same, doesn't it?
Yeah. So we've managed to fit a new battery, even though the old battery this morning started fine. Right, one job done on Mary. Now to do a window screen wiper, which neither of us has done, but we'll figure it out as we go along. Best way. Right, window wiper motor, which is under here. So I think we'll take the window screen wipers off, then we'll take the cowl off, then that gives us access to the whole motor, no messing around, and we can go from there. Right, first of all, we'll get these little caps off there. Take them off, and then once Will's taken them off, they have these little tabs here. As you can see, you just twist to lock and unlock, and that unlocks this. There's a few of them about. There's a pin in there, and then we can take this cowl and all off. We can give them a whack with hammer. There we go. So one screw there. Yeah.
Ooh. I'm gonna round it. Might have to do a manual job on that.
Yeah, get the grinder out.
The grinder? Yes.
And then we've got one there as well.
There we go.
We can. We don't need to take the bonnet off.
What job are we doing again? Oh yeah, taking this off. There we go. Now you can see it's fully snapped.
So 10 milli on there. You'll have a cable behind here.
One here as well.
This little plastic cover. There's your main cable there. Push that down. Or does it lift off? There we go. So you got one there.
Yeah.
You got one down here.
One here.
And one there. And I think that's it.
And the new one is here. 45 quid off eBay, I think it was. I feel like Matt Armstrong and his cameraman now.
Oh, well, snapped it, hasn't it?
Perish. Oh, hold on. Tell you what we could have done. Just that, right here. Just, he says. There we go, look, there we go. The apprentice is now the master. That's all right, happy days. We're loose, I think, aren't we? Are we? What's that one there? Oh, you did that already. Here it comes, the windscreen motor and linkage on a Fiat Ducato. There we go. There is said snap. So where is the other?
So there.
Oh yeah. Okay, I see.
You think how many times that has done this
Yeah.
over the years? Millions?
Yeah.
Well, maybe not millions, but a lot.
That would explain as well why I've had issues with my wipers for quite some time. They slowed down massively and I just thought it was an electrical fault.
There we go. And straight away,
What can you notice?
literally what we've just said, it hasn't got the cover on it. So, good job we kept that, innit?
Yeah. Shiny.
Right? All yours now.
Why does it look like it's snapped there? Oh my god, it's snapped as well. What? What? That's snapped in exactly the same place where the original one is snapped. So that must be a thing with these wipers. Let me grab the other one just to show people.
So the new one has actually snapped in the same place as the old one.
Yeah. But here's the end of the new one, which I've literally just got delivered today. And I thought, hold on, that looks a bit funny. It's a bit of a shit job if that's how it comes, but...
Yeah, you'll see. Exactly the same.
Oh, fucking brilliant.
Right, we're now on to a scrapyard. Hi mate, have you got any windscreen wiper motors for a Ducato or a Boxer? Right, we've introduced Will to something now that it's all new to him. Scrapyards.
It is, and I absolutely love it. Like, the fact that you could just call someone up and say, have you got this part? They read out the part number, double check it with the part that we've just taken off, and they've got it in stock, and it's 25 quid instead of 45, which I paid on eBay.
And how much was it in Euro parts?
Oh, like 350 quid or something.
Euro car parts, 300 and something pounds. For it was kind of, yeah. Yeah, Emma found a scrapyard. They didn't have one. And then they recommended another scrapyard. So
20 minutes away.
we're going to go there, pick it up, come back and
This
fit
is
it.
really exciting. I've never been to a scrapyard before.
Oh, the luxuries of the upper class. Also, Will's starter motor is sticking. So, new starter motor, Euro car parts, you're on 200 to 300 quid. Scrapyard, £35. So, going to get under, jack it up, get the part number off it, see if it's the same one in there, and yeah, hopefully get a starter motor and a window wiper for cheaper than a box of sausages. There we go. The axle stand is under the van. Don't say we don't use them. I'm only joking. We've put it under.
What's a starter motor look like then?
The boys have gone to go and get things for Will's van, but it's coming up 3 o'clock-ish and they're going to be hungry when they get back. So I'm going to make a little pasta dish, a bit of an homage to Will because he does like his fajitas and he always makes them. So I'm going to make a fajita style pasta. So it's going to be 1 packet of fajita seasoning, half an onion because I don't want to do a massive portion. Half a red pepper is going to go in. I'm going to chop that up now and then I'm going to cook those down, which I'll show you in a minute, and then I'm going to add some cream and some cheese as well. So I've chopped my onion. I'm going to move that to a little bowl out of the way. I'm going to chop my pepper, half a pepper up now. Again, I'm going to dice my pepper up fairly small. Right, so I've diced up my red pepper. That's going to, a little bit smaller I think. That is going to go in, but I'm going to actually put that in after I've softened the onions a little bit because peppers don't take as long to cook. Well, we all know that anyway. Right, so just like when you're cooking fajitas, I've got some oil in my pan. I've got my onions there, some red pepper. I have a fajita mix. It's not al paso, but let's see if Will notices, eh? Ha! And then once my oil started heating, I'm going to put my onions in, saute them down a little bit. Right, so as you can see, I've got my onions in there. I'm just softening them down now on a lowish heat. I haven't got any chicken, and that's a major part of chicken fajitas, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is I am going to use some jackfruits instead, and hopefully neither of the boys will notice because it's in a sauce. And because of the way I break it down and things like that, I'll get away with pretending it's shredded chicken, I think. We'll see when they eat it. They'll never know. They'll never know.
Go and get these parts. got one of these. Well, we couldn't get a starter motor, but
a wiper motor we have.
Right then, so as you can see in the pan, I have now added my peppers, I have got my jackfruit in there, and I've broken it all up. So by the time that's cooked and softened down, they will never know the difference. While this is cooking down, I'm going to put the seasoning in now, which is just fajita seasoning. And then I'm going to let that cook down a little bit and get the flavours in there. And then I'm going to grate some cheese while I'm waiting for that to happen. Right, my pasta's cooking nicely there. And that smells like fajitas, obviously. Now, you don't have to use a fajita packet. You can actually make the seasoning yourself. It's not hard. And most of the time I do, because in our spice rack, we've got every sort of single spice going because I enjoy making things from scratch. But today is an homage to William. So my pasta is cooked. Once I've stirred that through, I'm giving it a mix. And I've still got that on a really, really, really low heat. Because you don't want it to dry out. There's nothing worse than dry pasta. So I'm just going to pour in a little bit of the cream. And then my cheese that I grated. About half of that. Just had a good old stir and let all that melt down.
right, back at the unit. We weren't able to get a starter motor, so Will have to fit his own starter motor, but that's an easy job. So we got the motors for the windscreen wipers, so that can go on, and yeah, get that fitted, and then you'll have to order a starter motor, which is a bit of a pain, but the way it is, isn't it? Right, let's get all this back together and get the window wipers back on. Right, before I start, I've been called into the van. Apparently Emma's been cooking and tea's ready. Van Jenga with human beings.
It's testing the old flexibility. We're in, I think. We're touching tables.
There we go.
Thank you very much. Fajita pasta. Woohoo!
There we go, because we're with the boy.
Well, dinner was absolutely amazing. Thank you.
Pleasure.
You worked hard.
I think William enjoyed it as well.
I think he did. He wanted more. He licked his plate and then he had two, what did he have?
He had a mini roll and
tea cake.
a tea cake.
You'd think he never got fed. I know. Right, let's go and get this window wiper motor done. Right, this one come with the protective thing on it. So, let's get it in.
Oh, damn it. Have you put it on already?
Yeah.
Oh, is it that easy, is it?
Here we go. Lovely. Don't go too mad.
This one, go and get the bastard on.
So now you got two nuts in there.
It's bitten. It's bitten.
Right, take it off. Because the nuts come out. Now you can tighten it.
Clever that.
Happy days! Look at him. All winter warmed up.
Tricks of the trade.
Snow. We've got snow here. Right, let's give it a go.
Got wipers now that work. Did you turn that off?
What?
Did you you've disconnected the battery. I wonder why it turned off.